So we're just looking at removing the backplate for the RX 6700 XT. Just a few more screws to go. You can see that there are a bunch of screws already. Where so you can see that it's pretty easily coming off. Just make sure not to put too much force on them. Might damage the backplate. Also, just make sure you remove these two fan headers. They're a little flimsy. You might break them off if you pull them by force. Just be careful. Just shimmy them side to side, and they should easily come off. I think the last two screws that we have here are on the side mounts that go on the case. So let's see how many screws remaining. Okay, so the PCB and the backplate have come off, and you can see that these thermal pads are nice and worn out. They're there, and it's just the thermal paste is kind of dry. We're going to replace all of this with our EK reflection water block here. Nice little water block. And just gotta clean all of this off with some isopropyl alcohol, and we should be good to go. Just make sure not to damage any of the pins, and yeah, these two should be removed before trying to even dislodge the PCB. Otherwise these two slots will break, guaranteed. If this breaks, you're not going to be happy. So we're now applying thermal pads across the new water block. So some are gonna go here, some will go here, some will go here, and some will go here. They're clearly marked on the water plate, so shouldn't be too much of a hassle sticking these to the water block. So let's quickly stick them around. Alright, after a little bit of hard work, the water block is mounted on the GPU and everything looks ready to go. There's no backplate for now. The default backplate doesn't fit anymore because of that protrusion there. That's hitting this piece here. So gotta buy a separate EK backplate for this GPU, but that doesn't stop us from going ahead with this build. Okay, see you soon again.